Friday night and we just finished work and now we are heading up to the mountains. We need to find a car park space. We are at our campsite now. We are right at the foot of the mountain. And tomorrow we're going up to the snow for snowboarding. I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night. We're done eating breakfast and now we're off to the snow. 1, 2, 3.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
Stand on it. I'm gonna just stand on it. Stand on it. I'm gonna just stand on it. Pull it close to me. It really close to me. I'm gonna keep standing on it. Whoa! Woo! Oh, safe. Yes. Oh, stand on it. Keep standing on it. Oh my God. That's so fast. So we are back here for lunch and well, there's a plenty of fall, so I created a hanging line here to dry up our ski gears and clothes and everything while we have our breakfast. No, breakfast, sorry, lunch. We are eating cup noodle because why everything else in the restaurant is so expensive and we have everything, so why do we want to pay? And the view, pretty damn good view for lunch. Quick access to the outdoor.
Can you turn it up? I think it's falling already.
Is it? Okay. Yeah. Yep, that's ready too. Yeah, you can step on it.
My cook.
Where is it? Where did you put your cook? Best fridge ever.
Everyone knows cook is best cold.
It's very easy. Super hot. After lunch, we are going for the second round. Change of quotes. Go again. What's the hardest thing for the whole day today?
Getting onto the lift.
I think the whole day. From like what, morning until now, like it's finishing soon, we have to return our gear. I submitted a total of like 3 times because I could not hold on the lift long enough to actually reach the summit. It's so bad. Oh, I hate it. I hate the lift. The snowboarding is always fun though. And driving back to the campsite now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
These are all the cars that are stuck behind us because we are so slow.
9.
Oh my god, is there more? Oh my god, there's more. Oh my god. Sorry guys. We got a heavy vehicle. What to do? Tonight's dinner, sukiyaki! That's for dinner. I'm so tired, to be honest. I'm just so tired. Oh, it's an exhausting day. Our dinner. Oops, the lens. Wait a second, people. There we go. Dinner's ready. It's raining outside, that's why we're eating in here. So, I bought the massage gun because I know we're gonna need it today after the snowboarding. So, I think this is a great planning ahead.
No, this is the vanilla part.
I hear strawberry. Is it good?
Not bad.
So cold. Getting cold. Definitely getting cold.
What?
Good morning. Let's have a look what it looks like outside right now. cold. I'm nice and toasty in my blankie. Ah, that guy just came back from the toilet. It's so cold outside.
Niggeran yung Ford Transit.
Is it? There's a Ford Transit here? Cool. Ford Transit was the other van that we're considering, either this or Ford Transit. But last year when we bought it, everything is out of stock. Like, we couldn't even try the van before we buy the van, so we're like, nah. LDV is the only one that still have stock, so we're like, LDV it is. No! It's cold! No! What? Quite a nice view though. I don't quite mind this. It's the diet. And we are all packed, ready to go home. Before that, we're going to a waterfall. I'm still in my pajama because that's all the clothes I've got. Babe, stop. You always forget the handbrake. Off we go now. Up we go to the waterfall. You're just walking along the waterfall and all the cascading falls. Oh, and then when the sun hits, it's so pretty. Look at that. So cool. They say do not go here, but heading back home now. The day today, I cannot emphasize how much
Amazing day.
lost track of my words. I cannot emphasize what a beautiful day it is today. I have to show it. Like blue skies, greenery, like perfect road. Lovely, we're not on perfect road.